Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw the king of the jungle, a lion. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by drawing a big circle for the lion's head. Step 2. Now draw 2 half circles on the top sides of the big circle. These are the lion's ears. Step 3. Around the big circle, draw small wavy lines. It should look like a fluffy cloud all around the head. That's the lion's mane. Step 4. Draw 2 oval shapes for the body and add a straight line in the middle. Don't forget the tail.
Step 5.
Now it's time for the face. Draw 2 round eyes. You can add small dots inside to make them look cuter. The nose can be a triangle shape, but with rounded corners. Under the nose, draw a smiling mouth. If you'd like, you can also add whiskers on both sides of the mouth. Now the drawing is finished, and it's time for the most fun part. Coloring. Tip: you can choose any colors you like. Remember, your lion is your own masterpiece. Your imagination has no limits. That's it. We've drawn and colored an amazing lion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next animal drawing. Until then, goodbye and keep creating.